Hey everyone, B here. So this video contains very loud noises, and this is just me being a dork and singing the Grinch uh in a very weird accent. And no, it's just a random accent I do. So yeah, enjoy the video anyways. I'm very sorry, whoever thinks I'm so weird. You can dislike the video and I don't really mind. Anyways, enjoy. You're a mean one.
Mr. Grinch,
You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch.
the three words that best describe you are as followed, and I quote,
Stink, stink,
Stunk!
you're a mean one, Grinch. A furry green one, Grinch. The meanest I seen.
One Grinch!